Hello, and welcome to today's episode on Smart Money, the SME Financial Literacy Podcast, where we help SME owners make sense of their finances and take control of their business growth. I am Mawena, a chartered accountant, and have spent years helping small and medium-sized business owners understand their numbers, make smarter decisions, and build sustainable businesses. If you have ever looked at a profit and loss statement, also known as the P&L statement, and felt lost, overwhelmed, or unsure of what it really tells you, today's episode is for you. Our topic is understanding your profit and loss statement, and our guiding principle for today is read your P&L like a business owner. Let's break it down into a simple, relatable way. Now let's have a look at what is a profit and loss statement. A profit and loss statement, also known as income statement, is simply a report showing how much your business earned, spent, and kept over the period of time. Think of it as a snapshot of your business performance. It answers how much money came in, that's your revenue, how much was spent, that's your expenses, and what remains, that's your profit or your loss. Knowing this is crucial because profit alone doesn't tell the whole story unless you also understand the numbers behind it. Let's have a look at what is revenue, also known as the top line. Revenue is all the money your business earned during a period. That's the sales of goods, the services rendered, and other business income. Let's take a practical example. Kwame runs a catering business. In January, he sold 200 catering packages at 300 cedis each. Therefore, revenue is 200 cedis multiplied by 300 cedis, giving us 60,000 cedis. Revenue is the starting point, but it's not profit. Always track revenue by source, that's through cash sales, mobile money payments, bank transfers, and credit sales. This helps you know which products or services are driving income. Now let's take a look at expenses, also known as the cost of doing business. Expenses are all the costs incurred to run your profit. Track all expenses consistently. Even small costs matter. They do add up. Let's have a look at net profit, also known as the bottom line. Net profit is revenue minus expenses. It is the money that stays in your business or can be reinvested. Example, we have a revenue of 60,000 cedis and expenses of 45,000 cedis. At the end of the month, our net profit is 15,000 cedis. Notice, even though sales are high, profits may be low if expenses are high. Profit gives you insight into the business efficiency, not just revenue numbers. Now, let's have a look at what numbers matters most to SME owners. When reading your P&L, focus on 1. Revenue trends. Are sales increasing or decreasing? 2. Expense breakdown. Which costs are too high? 3. Profit margins. How much do you keep per cedi earned? And 4. High cost areas. Are there unnecessary expenses? Let's have a practical example. Kwame notices that his electricity costs have doubled over 3 months. By identifying this on his P&L, he installs energy-saving bulbs and therefore saving 800 cedis monthly on his electricity. Your P&L is not just a report, it is a tool for informed decision-making. Let's have a look at some tips to read on your P&L like a business owner. 1. Compare periods. Compare month to month or year to year. 2. Focus on the key line items. Don't get lost on minor details. 3. Look for trends. Revenue increasing but profit decreasing is a signal that there's a problem. 4. Use it to plan. Cut unnecessary costs. Negotiate with suppliers. If possible, price products effectively. Remember, a well-read P&L helps you control your business, not just react to it. In summary, revenue is equal to all money earned. Expenses is equal to all money spent. And net profit is the money that remains after expenses are taken from revenue. Your P&L is a story of your business, not just numbers. Read it regularly. Compare periods and identify trends. Use it to make strategic decisions, not just to file for taxes. If this episode helped you to understand your P&L better, share it with a business owner, subscribe to the channel, and start reviewing your P&L monthly. And if you are a business institution or a fintech company, a business advisory firm, or an organization supporting SMEs, and you would love to partner with Smart Money, the SME Financial Literacy Podcast, we would be excited to collaborate. Together, we can help SME owners to build a better Ghana. You can reach us via the contact information in the description below. I am Mawena. Remember, read your numbers, control your expenses, protect your profit. See you in the next episode.